But I just rigged up something. Check out these red lights. All right, good morning. Decided I'd take a break from doing solar and portable ammo can speakers and work on my 12-volt battery power box, better known as Travel Buddy. I did some mods and some tweaks to it. This is a lithium powered Dakota lithium, big battery in there, 54 amp hour, 12 volt, good for 691 watt hours. Has all the goodies on it. 12 volt power socket to run your stuff. Some DC jacks. And you could very possibly charge your car battery and start it with these guys here, jumper cables. And of course, it's got a cigarette lighter. Old school. Weighs 22 pounds. Light your favorite smoky treat. And here's the best part. I just did this. Watch this switch. Its only purpose is for this side voltage meter, but I just rigged up something. Check out these red lights. Warning, Will Rogers. Right? Things I come up with, right? Well, it kind of serves a purpose too. You know, it's dark. Can't see stuff. Run into it. Side of the road, whatever. And I just put this USB QC3.0 dual socket with voltmeter. You can shut this off manually. Turn it on. Check your battery volts. And the reason why I'm using a green one over here is because I learned when you're traveling, I have this in my truck, you can see green a lot better than red. But yeah, 22 pounds. Lithium rocks. All right, here's some still pictures of the inside. I'm sure everybody wants to see what it looks like on the inside. Take care. Have a good one. Thanks for watching.